In this video, you'll learn how to convert Shiba Inu to USDT on KuCoin. This process involves several straightforward steps within the KuCoin interface, allowing you to efficiently exchange. Begin by navigating to the KuCoin website. Once you've reached the home page, ensure you are logged into your account. If you are not signed in, enter your credentials and click the sign in button. After logging in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. Next, locate the trade option on the main menu. This is typically found at the top of the page. After clicking on trade, a drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to choose different trading options. Select the convert option from this menu. Once you're on the convert page, look for the market button. Clicking this will bring you to a section where you can select the cryptocurrencies involved in your conversion. This is where you will specify Shiba Inu and USDT for your transaction. After selecting market, proceed to click on pay. This is where you will begin the actual conversion process. You will see a new interface that allows you to select the coins you wish to convert. Now, click on select coin to choose Shiba Inu. A list of available cryptocurrencies will appear. Scroll through the list until you find Shiba Inu and click on it to select it as the currency you want to convert. Following that, you will see an option labeled Receive Estimated. Click on this to view your estimated amount of USDT that you will receive in exchange for your Shiba Inu. Next, click on USDT to confirm that this is the currency you wish to receive. After selecting USDT, you will need to click on Select Coin once more to specify the amount of Shiba Inu you want to convert. At this point, type in the amount of Shiba Inu you wish to convert into the designated field. Ensure that the amount entered does not exceed your available balance, which you can check on your account. Once you have entered the desired amount, click on Convert to USDT. A confirmation prompt may appear showing you the details of the transaction. Review these details carefully before proceeding. If everything looks correct, confirm the conversion. The transaction may take a moment to process depending on network conditions and your internet speed. You will receive a confirmation message once the conversion is complete. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.